Hi guys, my name is Natalie Deeb. I'm a physical therapist at Catalyst PT and Wellness in San Diego. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use Zoom for your first meeting after you've already downloaded it onto your computer. If you have not yet downloaded the Zoom app, please refer to our previous videos for detailed directions on how to do so. So before each telehealth session, your physical therapist will email you a meeting ID. So the first thing you want to do is open up your email. And I can see my meeting is scheduled here. Since I already have downloaded the app, I can just copy the meeting ID. So you can highlight that, right click, and copy. Now we want to open up the Zoom app right here. I don't actually need to sign in. I can just hit join a meeting. And this is where I paste that meeting ID. So you can right click and paste that in there. Hit join. Now I need to give my computer permission to use the microphones. So we're going to hit join with computer audio. Now my therapist can hear me, but I need to start video so they could see me as well. So in the bottom left-hand corner, you can see, yes, my audio is working. Click start video. And you can see our video is working now. So I can see myself at the top here, and then when my therapist has joined with me, their video will show at the bottom. If you have any problems with audio or visuals here, you can actually chat with your therapist. So at the bottom of your screen, you can hit chat and send them a message. When you and your therapist are done with your session, you can scroll to the bottom right and hit leave. And congratulations, that's it. You've completed your first Zoom meeting. As always, if you have more questions, please give your PT a call and they'll help resolve that. I hope this video was helpful, and we hope to see you soon at Catalyst.